Hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video that you're about to see now. Just make sure that you subscribe and click on the little bell because that's the only way to
mom's home. It's a dream. You get what I mean? You know what it is? When you could say, hey man, I could go and get myself a look. It was so crazy last year. I said I was gonna get myself a Mazzy. You know what I mean? When you could say, I'm gonna get a Maserati, and then you say, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to, I just don't feel like it anymore. That was my dream car. All of this is from coding. Nerdy shit. I tell my friends what I do, they're like, that's that nerdy shit. I'm like, yep, that's where I'm at. I'm on that nerdy shit. You know what I mean? My friends were like, yo, I told all my friends a few years ago, I told them, I was like, yo, y'all gotta start doing this. Man, I'm built for this. I'm like, bro, I'm not, but look where I'm at now. And this is just the beginning, man. I got my other boy who was planning on starting up a startup with me, right? Now, I don't know, guys. I'm documenting my life. I come here, I'll tell you guys about a little coupon code and stuff. That's for, funs and giggles, right? That's for the people that want to learn this, right? But this isn't where I'm gonna, end up at. Like, this is the beginning. It's like I worked for 5 years, right? This year I said, hey, I want to give back. I want people that are like me, people who are minorities, people who are not well off. I'm not, my content is not for the people who's like, oh yeah, I could go in and disappear for 2 to 3 months out of boot camp and waste my money. My audience is not for that. My content is not for that. My content is for the people that's like, yo, I want to make it. This guy made it, and I could do it, right? So that's where I'm at, right? That's what I'm doing here. But at the same time, this isn't where we stop. So when I come here, I don't do this to like show off or to talk ish to people or nothing. A lot of times, I want to just document everything that I'm doing. Right? I want you guys to see how somebody goes from, being in a parking lot, which is one of the worst jobs that I've had. I went from working inside of the mall in a money exchange to getting fired and working at the mall's parking lot while my ex manager and my ex other people that used to work with me at Armani Exchange looking down on me, because now I'm at the little booth. They will come in, the manager fire me. There's like, those are the little things that you go back and you think about it. The manager fire me, and she will come every day and give me a little hello ticket and give me a smile like, I fired you, and now you work here at the parking lot. You get what I'm saying? Now, your boy's out here, big ballers. Now, I could go to the money exchange, buy whatever the hell I want. Do whatever hell I want. You get what I'm saying? There was this video on World Star. There was this kid who came and slap another kid with $15,000. I'm like, yo, I want to find my old ex-manager so I could just slap her with 20K on the face. You ever seen 20K in your hand? All hundreds? It's like this thick, right? Just boom, right there in the face. Just slap her. That. It's like, yo, you remember me now? Remember me? Who you fired for coming in late. Word. You know what I'm saying? So, look, I just come in here. I try to motivate, make you guys laugh, enjoy it. So it's like, but there's little nuggets. That's why I call my live show Dropping Gems with CodingPhase. We drop gems.
We hang out, we have fun, but we drop gems. You go to my website, you're going to sign up for the website. You're going to enjoy it. You're going to really enjoy the projects that you're building, because we're not just teaching different programming languages just back to back without being, being connected to the last thing that you've learned. Everything on the website is connected to the last thing that you learned. So every time that you go and jump from one language to another one, you're elevating yourself to the next level. You're learning something new. You're learning something that you didn't learn on the last course that you did, right? But everything's all connected, right? So if you come in and you do something like, let's say in PHP, you're not gonna learn the basics of web development in the Node.js course, because it's already expected that you already did that course, right? So when you take the Node.js course, we're not wasting your time. We're going straight to the, the meat of it. We're not giving you the little taste, like, here's a little piece. Nah, we going to the meat of it. No homo. So you're going straight to the meat. You know what I mean? And we touching the tippy top. You get what I'm saying? So let your imagination go wild.